G'day guys, we've just finished off another vehicle build. This one's a dual cab 79 for Mark. This has a lot of our premium accessories fitted up. It's got a Jmacx super chassis, and our sister company Jackson's Carry Me Camper have fitted up one of their trays and campers. Let's break this build down and check out some of the features. On the front of this one, we've installed the ARB large tube deluxe bar in the matte black finish. We've got a pair of steady fog lights with the DRLs, a worn VR Evo 12,000 pound winch with the Factor 55 Ultra hook, the ARB rated recovery point, and a radiator protection plate. Mark's got the Ultravision lights with a custom red ring to match up with his light bar on the roof, which is matched the same. We've got a set of Summit side rails and steps with our Line-X coating. On the rear, we've got a tray and camper package. This is not done in-house, this is done by our sister company, Jackson's Carry Me Camper. It's a fully welded aluminium tray that's been painted black to suit the rest of the vehicle, some under tray toolboxes, flared guards to suit the wide and rear axle, a fold down rear tyre carrier, and an under tray drawer. On the back, we've got the Jackson's Carry Me Camper, which is the hard lid model. The roof opens up with full bedding inside and all of our storage as well. Now you may have noticed that this Land Cruiser has been extended. We've done that with the Jmacx Super Chassis. This is a full vehicle package including a rear chassis clip which incorporates a 300mm chassis extension and a rear coil conversion. It offers a 3-inch lift and a 4495 kilo GVM with a 4-ton towing capacity. As part of that package, we've got an inbuilt tow bar, we've got a long-range tank, a heavy-duty clutch, front and rear suspension, and we've also got a set of airbags and an upgraded torque exhaust. On this one, Mark's gone for the Jmacx Alpha series remote res shocks, which offer fantastic handling and beautiful ride comfort. On the roof, we've got the Rhino Pioneer platform. This is the shorter version to make room for the Jackson's Carry Me Camper on the back. We've got a Safari R-Max 4-inch snorkel with the airbox modification and a set of Clearview next-gen towing mirrors. These are the electric version with indicators and the power fold function. Mark's taking care of the interior on this build himself. He's doing a full sound deadening package, a stereo upgrade with speakers and reverse camera, some consoles, an ARB links, and also some power outlets. Mark's also supplied the wheels for this one. They're load rated and sized correctly to suit the Jmacx GVM upgrade. So that concludes our part of the build on Mark's 79 series. We're keen to see the finished result once he's completed the interior fit out. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and keep an eye out for the next video. Thank you, Mark, for choosing Jackson's 4x4 to build your 79.